Hello, welcome to the lesson on asking and responding to questions. I am excited to have you here. Let's begin, shall we? Click on Begin Lesson to start the lesson. In this lesson, we will learn the difference between questions and responses, how to ask and respond to questions using the correct phrases and expressions. Before we start this lesson, let's understand what you already know about this topic and what you want to learn about this topic. Drag and place the options in the appropriate box. The difference between a question and a response. How to give a positive or a negative response. How to ask a question confidently in the workplace. How to answer a question confidently in the workplace. Very good. Sharing what you know and what you want to learn will help you improve your own learning.
Hi, I am Paula.
Hi, I am Samira. Is this your first day at work?
Yes, this is my first day. How long have you worked here?
I have been working here for 2 years now. If you need any help, ask me.
Thank you. Can you tell me where the drinking water is?
Go straight. Take a right. You will find the water cooler there.
Thanks, Samira.
Think of the conversation between Paula and Samira. Then, divide the conversation on the next page into questions and responses. Drag and place each statement in the correct box. Is this your first day at work? Yes, this is my first day. How long have you worked here? I have been working here for 2 years now. That is correct. What are questions? A question is a type of sentence that is used to seek information, get doubts clarified, and ask for help. Written questions have a question mark at the end to show that the sentence has been completed. Paula asks Samira questions about the office. Click on the audio button to learn how to ask each question correctly. Do we have a holiday on Saturdays? What are the office timings? Where is the canteen? Is there a dress code that we have to follow? Click Next to continue. What are responses? A response is the answer given to a question. Responses provide information and clarify doubts. Based on what you learned, answer the following questions. Click on the Begin button to answer the questions. Samira and Paula are having lunch. Paula asks few questions to know Samira better. Can you help Paula give responses to the questions correctly? Click on the correct response. How should Paula answer this question?
Where are you from?
I, Kerala. I am from Kerala. From Kerala, I. Correct answer. Click on the correct response. How should Paula answer this question?
Where do you stay now?
I stay in a PG. PG. I PG stay. Correct answer. Click on the correct response. How should Paula answer this question?
Do you have work experience?
No, I do not have work experience. Never worked. Work experience 0. Correct answer. Types of responses. Positive response. Answer to the question means yes or okay. How many of you have been to Delhi? I have been to Delhi. I have been there too. Negative response. Answer to the question means no or never. How many of you have been to Bangalore? I have never been to Bangalore. I have not either. Here are some common words used to respond to questions. Based on what you learned, answer the following questions. Click on the Begin button to answer the questions. Select Paula's response as positive or negative to the question asked by Samira.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Positive response. Negative response. Correct answer. Select Paula's response as positive or negative to the question asked by Samira.
Do you have relatives in this city?
No, I don't know anyone in this city.
Positive response. Negative response. Correct answer. Imagine you are at your workplace. Your colleague Rajesh is sitting next to you. Write down 5 questions in your notebook that you will ask to know Rajesh better. For example, what are your hobbies? What do you like about your job? You can also share your thoughts on the Quest app community page or in ITI groups on social media groups. Now that we have completed the lesson, share what you have learned from this lesson. Choose the options from the menu. What I learned from this lesson. The difference between a question and a response. How to give a positive or a negative response. How to ask the question confidently in the workplace. How to answer a question confidently in the workplace. Thank you for sharing what you learned from this lesson. Here is a recap of what you learned in this lesson. Written questions have a question mark at the end to show that the sentence has been completed. A positive response means that the answer to the question is yes or okay. A negative response means that the answer to the question is no or never. Now, let's assess ourselves to understand our own learning. Think of what you learned and choose if you feel like a seed, plant, or tree. Excellent work! Try to help others learn this concept. All the best! Congratulations on completing this lesson. See you in the next lesson.